Hey everyone, I'm Samuel David of King David's Contractors, and today we're kicking off something big. We're starting a full knockdown and rebuild on this property, taking it down and bringing a brand new home to life. When we're done, this place is going to be roughly 5,000 square feet, a beautiful living space packed with premium, smart design from top to bottom. Feature a massive eat-in kitchen featuring 5 bathrooms and 1 powder room on the main floor for the guests. Here, we're going to go with a modern transitional look featuring a 7-inch wide plank, giving the home a high-end custom finish. This is going to be a ground-up transformation where we're expecting a full rebuild from demolition all the way to punch list in approximately 12 months. Follow us along for this amazing journey